we're going to talk about what we think is most often the missing link in a successful training program or an optimal training program. It's called self-myofascial release, and often we refer to it just by foam rolling. We're going to talk about just kind of generally how you do foam rolling, what you're looking for, how long you want to do it, that sort of thing, what implements we can use. We're going to use about 4 different implements here. The first one, the most general one, is just the foam roller, which we're going to use for most of the body parts. If you want to increase the intensity, we can use something like a softball, which is a little bit more dense. We can also use a tennis ball for areas that we need to really dig into, little small areas, smaller muscle groups. And then the lacrosse ball is kind of a more intense tool to kind of implement the same thing that we would use softball or tennis ball for. So what we're looking for when we foam roll is we're looking for areas that cause us the most pain. The ones that we need to work on most are the ones that cause us most pain. So with the grading scale that we have given you, you want to kind of find out which areas need the most work and kind of prioritize those areas whenever we train, before we train, after we train, and on our off days. Each area we're going to want to stay on for about 30 seconds or more, and you'll notice after a few weeks of consistently doing this, you'll move better, you'll feel better, and you'll recover better.